This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you understand the basics of Fortnite Zero Build. This mode removes building, focusing purely on gunplay and movement. Your main goal is to be the last player or team standing. Master essential movements like sprinting, sliding, and mantling to navigate the map efficiently. Remember, your overshield provides 50 extra hit points, giving you a crucial defensive advantage in early engagements. Always be aware of your surroundings and use cover effectively. Now, let's talk about your arsenal and how to manage it. Weapons come in various rarities, from common to the powerful mythic, each offering different damage and accuracy. Aim for a balanced loadout, perhaps one shotgun for close quarters, an assault rifle for mid-range, and a sniper for long-distance engagements. Always carry healing items like mini shields or medkits to recover health and shield points. Don't forget to collect plenty of ammunition for all your chosen weapons. When engaging in combat, positioning is absolutely key. Always seek cover behind natural structures like rocks or trees, or even player-built walls to protect yourself from incoming fire. Try to gain the high ground whenever possible, as it offers a significant advantage in most firefights. Dedicate some time to practicing your aim in the game's creative mode or dedicated aim trainers. Additionally, utilize grenades and other throwables to dislodge opponents from their defensive positions. To secure more victories, focus on advanced strategies. Always keep an eye on the storm circle and plan your rotations early to avoid taking unnecessary damage. Pay close attention to audio cues like enemy footsteps and gunfire to anticipate where opponents might be. If playing with a team, effective communication and teamwork are crucial for success. Ultimately, victory often comes down to outmaneuvering and outplaying your final opponents with smart decisions and precise execution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.